as we move into our next segment. Now, only a Jamaican parent will ever understand what we're about to tell you guys, or a Jamaican child who's been disciplined by Jamaican parents. How do parents discipline their children now versus then? Here's the first one. And we don't want to trigger anybody. So if you have issues with this, you may not want to watch this segment. Because trust me,
yes,
it was
man.
rough.
This one is the nice one. Woo! This is the last time me I go talk to you. Last time me I go talk to you. Listen.
Usually said with a pointed finger. Translated.
Again.
Translated. This is the last time I'm talking to you. No, make me have to say it again. Translated. Don't let me have to say it again.
Because the last talk precedes the first beat.
Correct.
That's usually
That is usually the order.
If
According
talk to you one more time.
to this Dig Jamaica article, that statement is usually followed by a weighty silence that carries with it the threat of fast and furious discipline, Q. Delia's point, if they persist in doing the little or the thing their mother, father, auntie, uncle, grandpa, grandma has told them to stop doing. Who was it for you? Was it your mother or was it your granny?
Mother.
Always. Always.
Mother.
My father never spoke, you know. He would have just tear out his eye. When the eye do so.
You know what's coming.
Yeah. When the eye go was wab till it buck, you know, please don't do it again.
Look.
See it there? The look.
And let me tell you something, children. Yes, when the parents said this is the last time I talk to you, it's actually a plea, you know. It's a plea.
Don't make me have to.
No, make me have to beat you. Me I beg you, not make me beat you. So listen. Simone just said it, the look. The look. My mother had a look. When you got that look, especially like before we go out, she said, listen, when you go, behave on yourself. Because if you don't behave on yourself, I'm not carrying a gun away again. She carry out. When you start misbehave, you see the look what say.
You know, just straighten up and fly right immediately.
You know that you're not coming out of the house until next year. So, you straighten up yourself.
Yes.
Because that look there, it's not have to be no. Missy parents know and tell children in public, stop it.
I'm going to give you a timeout.
You need to go and behave yourself. Why are you behaving like that? My mother, not a nary word.
Didn't have to.
Had to come out of her mouth.
Didn't have to.
One sugar so.
Yeah, you go supermarket and you start farm the fool, one look.
The look.
Pharmacy, start farm the fool, one look. And you know, it's not going to work.
Either the eye get large or the eye get small.
But guess what, Harris? It's true. It's so true.
Yeah.
You gotta get a wins and you get a...
Your eye, does the eye open so? Like the eye say, oh no, you say you plan to embarrass me.
But that talk that you mentioned, Harris, is a very real thing. Because all of us used to get it. I don't know. We're going on the road.
Behave yourself. Nobody show up yourself.
True.
Nobody embarrass me on the road.
True.
Behave like you grew up
All right.
good. And then if you go out there and you don't hear, the look that says, only pastor can come here and
which
get
is
me to release you to go to church.
I was going to go to one, but it's on the list. Because if you don't hear, you know what the next thing is.
Yes.
You will feel.
Who your answer? Yes. Or what you say? What you say? What you say?
What you say a while ago? What you really say?
I said, but who you
talking to?
Who are you? My mother is very popular. Who are you answering?
Yes.
Who are you talking to?
Sorry, what did you say?
You're talking to, who are you talking to?
Yes, it says, whatever the phrasing, this question is usually more an interrogation of attitude and tone than anything else. Maybe the child muttered something unintelligible under his or her breath, or maybe he or she responded in a tone that the parent or the guardian thought was defiant and disrespectful. Either way, the response from the parent is more to put the child in his or her place.
That's right.
Than it's an actual question. Drop your socks, straighten up and fly right. All right, Delia, you this. Go on.
This is after the parent talk too much time. Wait, you're deaf. You can't hear. You can't hear.
Stick.
Stick broken in your ears.
True.
Okay.
Okay. Is this really the equivalent of the last talk?
It is the equivalent of the last stop, because if you can't hear, you're gonna feel.
Yes.
Who can't hear will feel.
So it's important to know that there is no actual belief that the child is hard of hearing. It don't have anything to do with that. The question is really a warning to the child to ensure that they comply, and they're seen to be complying with whatever rebuke, correction, or discipline the parent is issuing in that moment.
That's correct.
This next one will put the fear of God in you. Don't make me come over there. Don't make me come over there.
And let me tell you something. If 1, 2, 3, and 4 comes before, now make me come over there. Problem.
When them come over
So
there.
if them said, look, last time I talked to you, you know, and then them look upon you, and you say something, and them say, who you answer?
You're deaf.
And them say, oh, you're deaf. Don't make her come over here.
Don't make her come.
Then let me tell you something.
Yes, quick succession
Just
is
go
a
in your
problem.
bed, go sleep. Just cause the devil is trying to get you in trouble with your parents. Just say Jesus love the little children 3 times and go wrap up in your bed.
You think me are your size,
Oh, mercy.
which is usually after. Where is it?
What you just say?
Where you just say? Who you talk to? Think me are you? Right?
And let me tell you something. You don't literally have to say anything either, you know. You can
Just that look. Yes,
you can
just
just
shrug
shrug your
it up.
shoulder and just say, what is it me on your size?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You think you're a woman? No. Right? This is usually when the teen years come. You think you're big? All right. I'm going to show you, say. Right?
Yeah, big man now.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
big woman now.
Oh,
All right.
gosh. All right. I think we spoke about this one, didn't we?
How much time if I tell you?
Similar to something else. Don't make me
You're
talk
deaf.
again. Right?
Same thing with age.
Yes. This
Who
is
can't
the
hear
one.
must
No.
feel.
Who can't hear must
Who
feel.
usually who can't hear must feel comes out
It's after you get beaten.
while the beating is
Or
happening.
after.
So it's not who can't hear must feel, it's who
Did not hear.
can't hear must feel.
Me not laugh because to be
Oh
truthful, to be honest with a H,
Can't hear must feel.
the way, seriously, and Harrow, I'm talking to you, but not really. The way that Jamaican people discipline their children largely is not right.
No, well,
So
you-
we talk about these things and you hear us laughing, but the kind of beatings that parents give their children, right? Belt, whatever is near, at the ready, they flag it. Took them out from under bed with mopstick. Harrow, do not laugh. I didn't give you a joke,
Yeah.
right?
no,
Pie with
but
your hand.
UNESCO and CPFSA and so on.
It's abuse.
Corporal punishment. Some people don't punish their. That's a different conversation we have to have, because some people, anything them hand catch.
I'm telling
which
you,
is
Delia.
not which is not punishment.
I
It's
know
not
friends who
punishment.
wear scars today from the
No,
things their
that's not
parents threw at
punishment.
them.
That's not punishment.
Not good. Why is Harrow
But
laughing?
you know, you see, as I said, it's another conversation, because a lot of it comes out of adults not being able to process their own rage.
It's true.
And so when them say, I'm talking to you, not hearing, I'm talking to you, and so it's the rage that comes up, and that's how it manifests itself.
But
so
also this
it's-
notion that they can process the rage, but they can't talk. A lot of us don't realize that our children are little people, right? And if you sit them down and you talk to them, then you probably get a better outcome than if you keep beat. Because all you're doing is beating them into submission, beating them into fear, beating them into insecurity, beating them into hurt, beating them into pain. You know, a whole heap of people are resentful of their parents because of how they were disciplined and who have vowed now not to treat their own children in the same way. So you have to be
which is another extremity.
Yeah.
Because then
have to
they
be
don't
careful.
discipline their children at all.
Right, and
And
then
then
end up
there's
in
a
another
problem.
situation.
All right, so we head to number 10. If I lick you, you say peeny wally.
Are you funny?
Are you funny?
Long run, short catch.
Look, don't try to see no peeny wally. Don't try to see, and don't try to fenny. I don't know what fenny is, but I wasn't trying to do it. I wasn't trying to do fenny. Yeah, we laugh at it, and it, you know, but Simone raised a serious point. We have to find better ways to discipline our children, and poke out their eye and bust their head, and that's not discipline. That's some serious violence, and we have to. But
You
we
know,
have to teach people how to process rage and how to discipline outside of that, because that's what we grow up on. No. All right, we're gonna take a break. Don't move. If you turn off the TV,
You're going
fenne. So come on.